Welcome to the video tutorials for configuring Genlab ovens, incubators and drying cabinets. Our latest touchscreen control offers accurate and easy to operate features, and this video is one of a variety of how-to tutorial videos that can be found online at www.genlab.co.uk/videos. In this chapter, we'll demonstrate how to replace a spare element. When ordering spare parts, Genlab asks you to quote the model and serial number. This information can be found on the silver plate on the back of our units. Before you begin any work, make sure that the oven is switched off and is isolated from any power source. This is done by removing the power cable. Open the oven and check the unit is not too hot to touch. You can then remove the shelves. Next, remove the fan cover by unscrewing the 4 screws that keep it in place. Please take note of the orientation you remove the fan guard in, so that the screw holes align when you reattach it. Once the cover is removed, you need to remove the 3 clips holding the element in place. Once removed, close the door and open the cover on the back of the unit by removing the 6 screws that keep it in place. When you have opened the cover, remove the earthing wire attached to the back of the door using a 7mm spanner. Next, remove the live and neutral connections from the element. Using a 7mm spanner, remove the copper earth strap from the element. You can now pull out the element from the front of the oven. Remove the 3 clips from the old element and put them onto the new one, making sure that they have the same orientation. You can now insert the new element into the chamber. Using the existing holes, reattach the clips to the oven. This will hold the element in place. Once this is completed, the fan guard can then be reattached, again using the existing holes. Close the oven door and turn it around. Reattach the copper earth clip to the element in the same orientation as it was removed. Once it is tight, reattach the 2 earth wires and replace the nut to hold them in place. Replace the live and neutral connections onto the element, making sure not to bunch any insulation material. Finally, reattach the earth wire to the back cover and reattach the back cover to the oven. You can now reattach the power supply and turn the oven back on. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other chapters offering advice on the following functions at www.genlab.co.uk/videos.